Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this multi-purpose meat sauce. This is an all-purpose meat sauce really because you can serve it over literally anything. You can serve it with pasta, with rice, plantains, yams, potatoes, whatever. It is amazing and yet it's so easy to make. So if you want to learn how to make this meat sauce, then just keep watching. And while I'm watching, guys, then don't forget to like this video, leave comments in the comment section down below, and of course subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. Please go ahead and do it right now. So the first thing you'll need will be your meats. Today I'm using equal parts of beef and pork, but if you don't eat pork, you're free to skip it. You'll need some mushrooms and some tomatoes. Fresh tomatoes are amazing. I'll also use some onions, some garlic, habanero, jalapeno pepper, and I'll be finishing this off with some parsley. So moving on to the stove, I am adding some oil into a heated pan and I'm going to start browning my meat. Guys, like I say in all my videos, when it comes to meat, color is flavor. So make sure you add a lot of color to your meat by browning it first before you add the rest of the ingredients. So I'm going to take my time here, giving it about 3 to 5 minutes to brown. And while I'm doing that, I'm taking my time to break this meat up. I don't like lumpy meat in my sauce, so I'm breaking it up. So while that is cooking, I'm seasoning with some salt, some freshly cracked black pepper, actually a lot of freshly cracked black pepper because the flavor is amazing. Do not skip the step, it is awesome. I'm adding some paprika and some thyme, and I am going to keep sauteing this meat. Listen guys, if you are going for the lumpy meat sauce, then do not bother breaking your meat apart. But I like to break it apart. I like to have a smooth sauce, not too lumpy. Okay, so once that is done, I am going to go ahead and add my mushrooms, my onions, and my garlic, and I'm going to saute this for another minute or two just to give the mushrooms time to cook down and the onions time to sweat down. So once I have my mushrooms and my onions cooked perfectly just the way I wanted, I am going to go ahead and add the rest of the ingredients, which will be my peppers and my tomatoes. Guys, these tomatoes were so delicious. So I was at my local shop, right, and I saw this gorgeous fresh tomatoes that just came in, and I just had to grab it because they look so good and they taste amazing. So today I do not want to lose the flavor of the fresh tomatoes, so I'm not going to be cooking this for long. I'm just going to let it cook for just about 3 to 5 minutes maximum. I don't want the tomatoes to break apart too much, and I don't want to lose the freshness of that flavor. So 3 to 5 minutes of cooking will give the tomatoes just enough time to cook down a little bit without losing the fresh flavors. So after about 3 to 5 minutes of simmering on medium to low heat, I am going to go ahead and finish up this by seasoning with black pepper just to bring out some of that tomato flavor and my bouillon seasoning. Now guys, this is completely optional. You don't have to add any bouillon seasoning, but I just love that flavor that it adds to my sauce. But like I said, it's optional. So once I have that in there, mix it all together, let it simmer for a couple seconds. My sauce is done. Literally done. I told you guys this is an easy one. So now I'm finishing up with my parsley, and I'll give that a really good stir, and we're done. Now it's time to go ahead and enjoy the sauce. Like I said, you can serve it over rice, serve it over pasta, potatoes, yams, whatever you want to serve it over. It's still gonna taste amazing. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do it. Hit the subscribe button and hit the notification button as well, so you can get notifications when I post new videos, which happens to be every weekend. Like this video and leave comments in the comment section down below. I love you guys. See you all in the next video. Bye.